Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our S8 Pro smartwatch, and of course, here is the content of our new wearable. We have the, of course, smartwatch with the strap, flexible strap. We have the user manual, and we have here the charging cradle with the support for the micro USB. So for the support app, we have the HRY Fine app. Okay, so let's see if what are the contents of this simple basic smartwatch, very affordable, the S8 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video review of the menus and features, checking on the menus and features of the S8 Pro smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, so let's start. So we're done with the specs and features. I mean the specs and the design of the S8 Pro smartwatch. So on this video, we are going to check on the menus of this wearable. Okay, so let's start. So on top, so we have the notification function. Okay, so this one, it doesn't support rotary function. If you want to change the watch face, you have to swipe on the screen. So how many watch face do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. At least 14 watch faces is preloaded already in the smartwatch. Okay, do you see the bezel here? Okay, so you can check on the specs. You can check the specs of the smartwatch on the bottom, on the description below. Okay, let's see on the bottom part we have, okay, the quick settings. Okay, so we have here the brightness. I think this is a brightness control function here. Okay, okay, going back, let's see. Okay, so let's see brightness. I guess we do have a 240 by 240 pixel resolution here based on the images, based on the graphics. So information, HRY fine. Okay, let's go back. Okay, checking on the menus, let's press the crown button here. So again, it's not rotary function. So we have support for dial, contacts, what else, call logs, message. So it supports the Bluetooth call here. So we have pedometer, automatic, step tracking, distance and calories. We have the sleep monitoring. So it monitors for the light sleep, deep sleep, and deep sleep, and of course total time, I think. So we have sedentary alert. Okay, Bluetooth camera here. We have Bluetooth music, find phone, do have alarm, settings, brightness display. You have the QR code reset. You also have menu here, health, dual mode. You have sports functions such as running, skipping, cycling. What else? Climbing. We also have weather support, stopwatch. What's this style? Okay. So again, okay. So the theme is about the watch faces. We have language support again, and the style is all about the menu. We have list style, block list. Okay, let's go back. Let's check the list styles. Okay, press. Okay, that's it. I do hope they added the rotary function, but anyway, you can swipe. Okay, call log, speedometer, Bluetooth music. find phones, alarm. On the settings, let's check. So rest your hand to light up the screen, vibration, find phone, brightness display. We do have a QR code, language. So it supports several languages here, as you can see. Sports, skipping, weather, stopwatch. Okay, I think I missed the heart rate. Let's see if there's a heart rate monitoring. I don't see any heart rate. Okay, we do have here the health. So it measures for the beats per minute. Okay, let's check. So let's see if it shows the results here. So we have the beats per minute. Okay, so there's no blood pressure. Okay, let's see. Oh, we do have a blood pressure here. Okay, so we have a blood pressure and we have also a blood oxygen monitoring, all in one menu. Okay, just tap on the health and just scroll to see the additional function. Okay, so for the sports, let's go back, stop. So set up for the sports, is it skipping rope. Okay, cycling, so it monitors for the distance, calories, time, stopwatch, weather. Okay, and of course it supports notification from WhatsApp or Facebook. Okay, so that's it. Oh, for the S8 Pro smartwatch, the menus and the different functions. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video unboxing review of the S8 Pro smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.